Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Valentine's Day 2018 decor. I'm also participating in a $20 Valentine's Day decor challenge hosted by my good girlfriends here on YouTube, Deb and Kylie. I will link their videos and their channels in the description box below. So I decorated my coffee bar. I came in well under budget, probably less than $15 because I used some of what I already had. But I did purchase this cake stand for $3. From the Target dollar spot. I also picked up that cute little towel from Dollar Tree for a single dollar, and I already had that pink mercury glass jar, so that didn't cost me anything extra. I already had the golden white straws, but I did get the pink ones from Dollar Tree, obviously for $1. And the quilted mug in the background, I already had that, but that's also just from Dollar Tree. And those really cute gold glitter stir sticks that say love were from Target dollar spot for $3. My banner is also from the Target dollar spot for $3. I think it's so cute, and I plan to reuse that for different parties in the future. And this little love sign I did get from Dollar Tree this year. I already broke it. I dropped it, but I put it back together as best as I could, and it matches really well with the pink jar that I already had. So I love how those two go together. The only other thing I bought is this little pail from the Target dollar spot for $1. It matches my cake stand. So like I said, I came in under $15. I love the way my coffee bar turned out, and I want to say a big thank you to Deb and Kylie for allowing me to participate in this collab. On my dining table, I just left the same centerpiece up that I had for my winter decor tour. I'll link that video in the description box below. It's my after Christmas decor. I just added in these little glittery heart picks and some faux roses just to give it more of a Valentine's Day touch. I also hung up my Dollar Tree sign that I love. I covered the red hearts with some pink and white heart stickers to make it match my decor a little bit better. On my side table, I have the most gorgeous candle ever, which is Pink Prosecco from Bath & Body Works. This label is everything. It is matte with some rose gold metallic marbling. It's so pretty. And I also just added some of those faux wood chip roses into this arrangement that I already had. These are just from Dollar Tree, and I just picked off the really cheap green stuff around the edges and paired them with something a little bit more natural and realistic looking, and it looks so cute. On my couch, I'm just using my cream faux fur blankets and pillows and these new pink and cream plaid pillows. I purchased these pillowcases with both Easter and Valentine's Day in mind, so I'm sure you will see them again in the spring. On my coffee table, I just have my DIY heart coaster out of Dollar Tree supplies. I will link a tutorial in the description box below. And this raspberry peach macaron candle from Bath & Body Works is absolutely heavenly. On my fireplace, I just left up my pom-pom garland and my tea light holder that I basically use year-round as well. My shelf is basically the same as my winter decor. I just swapped out a succulent I had and replaced it with this DIY vase that I made in a video. And I just filled it up with some fresh eucalyptus and tulips to bring a little bit of energy into the room. On the other side of my fireplace, I have my crate and my gate that I just put my DIY clothespin wreath on. When I made this wreath in a video, I had more stickers on it, but I ended up taking them off because I just like a simpler look a little bit better. So this is what it looks like now. That's it for my Valentine's Day decor. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye guys.